Why do so many businesses fail, even after planning perfectly? Why do schools struggle despite having timetables? Why do NGOs waste resources despite their good intention? The problem is not lack of planning. The problem is how we plan. Today, I'm going to be teaching you Agile and Scrum in a way that will completely change how you work. At the end of this series, you'll be seeing Agile everywhere in businesses, schools, NGO, in your work, and even in your daily life. What is Agile? Agile is a mindset and a way of thinking and working that will help people deliver value in small steps, learn quickly, and improve continuously. Now, Agile is not a software. Agile is not only for tech people. Agile is a way of thinking and working. Work in small steps. Instead of doing everything at once, Agile encourages you break work in small, manageable pieces. You don't just work everything at once. You don't plan at once. Delivering bit by bit. Now, Agile says build, test, learn, improve, and repeat the process again. Let's take, for example, schools. You teach one topic per week. You test students weekly. You improve your teaching approach. Now, you don't teach for full term and you give one final exam. Students are definitely going to fail because you don't know whether they are actually learning or not. You teach weekly, you assess and adjust your teaching approach. Now, let's move on to business owners now. You launch a product. You test with few customers. You improve based on feedback. You don't just launch a product at once and let's say, for example, now you open a big shop without testing demand. Are you sure whether people want that business? Are you sure whether they want your products? Are you sure whether they are going to really buy the product or that is how customers want the product? So what you do is that you start small, you learn, then you expand gradually. By so doing, you know what your customers want. Now, let's take NGOs, for example. You run a pilot program, you observe results, you improve before scaling. You don't just run out national program immediately. You start small, you learn, and you expand. Agile values early feedback so mistakes are corrected quickly. Now, let's take school for an example. Weekly quizzes, class participation, midterm tests. Feedback tells the teacher a student understanding this or not. Let's come to business. You do customer review. You ask customer questions. You ask them, do they like this product? How do they want you to improve in the product? You review their complaints. You hear them. Oh, okay. No, we don't like it this way. No, we like it this way. No, it tastes better like this. No, it's attractive more like this. That is how you improve your business. Sales trends. You check what is trending. How do you improve in your sales? Now, feedback answers the customer want this. Do customers want this? Do they really like this? Do they want this or not? Now, NGO, you get community feedback, field reports, beneficiary interviews. Now, feedback answers, is this program helping or not? Are people benefiting from it or not? You improve continuously. Agile believes that there is always a better way after every cycle. Now, these are the questions that team members ask, or even you as a business owner should ask. What worked? What worked in 2025? How do I improve my sales, my business in 2026? What didn't work? What can we improve? Now, coming to school as an example, you change your teaching method, you add revision classes, you adjust pace because some students are slow learners, while some students are fast learners. Now, business owners, now you improve product quality. Oh, they don't like the product quality is too low. Oh, the quality is too high. Oh, okay, the price is too high. You adjust the product quality. Okay, we have a lower quality for a lower price, We have a higher quality for a higher price. And the lower quality doesn't mean that the product is bad completely. No. You just say you added some things or you remove some things. Now you change marketing strategy. If you've been marketing in a way that you're not getting sales, you change it. This 2026. You don't just do the same thing you've been doing previous years back. You change it. That is why change is constant. Now, you improve training for NGOs, improve training content, adjust aid distribution, and change engagement approach. Now, this is a key takeaway. Agile accepts that first attempts are rarely perfect, and improvement comes from feedback. You really need feedback. Agile accepts that humans make mistakes, requirement change, and learning improve with feedback. If this lesson helped you, please like, comment, and follow. And also comment Agile if you want the next lesson, if you want more videos like this.